Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan. Right, so if we go to phone there, you've got setup in the corner. We'll go to setup, select telephone Bluetooth user profile, easy for me to say, Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth. Then Bluetooth, if you can't pair your phone to the system, do the same steps as I've just done. Make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth. There you go. Do you really want to switch off Bluetooth? All current connections will be broken. I don't. So make sure there's a tick there. Then we go here, down here to paired devices. Click paired devices and you'll see here, delete, delete, just go back there. I think I must have pressed the wrong one there. Paired devices, and we'll delete that last one. Delete. That's it.